I welcome all of you. I request our chief guest, guest of honor, chairman governing body, the director and two students to kindly light the lamp.
I request our chairman, Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy, to declare the convocation open to present the annual report of the institute.
Good morning. Chief guest of the day, Dr. Madhavan Nair, Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization and Secretary, Department of Space. Guest of honor of the day, Mr. Ashok Soota, Executive Chairman and Founder, Mindtree Consulting. Chairman of IIIT Governing Council, Mr. N.R. Narayan Murthy. Other members of the governing body, my distinguished faculty colleagues, fellow academics from sister institutes, my dear students, parents of our students, alumni, staff, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 9th convocation of IIIT. It's a moment of joy when 131 students graduate. Let me first congratulate the class of 2009 students. I do not want to stand in the way of our students getting their degrees, yet it is customary to present some highlights. Please permit me to do so. This year has been very unusual, the way the mood is prevailing in the industry where majority of our students seek employment opportunities. Most companies are not hiring. Many have put off their hiring plans. Yet, nearly 80 of our MTech students of the 129 who are graduating today have been placed, though the official placement started only on July 1. In all the previous years, all but a handful of our students would have been placed on the day of convocation. IIIT will continue to work hard till the last student is placed. Our friends from industry who have supported us all along, more so in the difficult year, deserve a big hand indeed. Our students and alumni continue to win laurels on several fronts. IIIT students Ritesh Nayak, Ashwin, Jayant and Harsha won the Google Product Prodigy Award. Shailendra Kumar won Java FX contest. 8K Minds, co-founded by our alumnus, has started offering its unusual software development as a service from May 2009. We continue to have student exchange program with several universities around the world. 2 of our MTech students spent time at Malmö in Sweden, and 2 of these Malmö students spent a semester with us. 1 MTech student spent a semester at University of Kaiserslautern in Germany. We have 1 full-time student from Brazil who will be graduating soon. We also have currently 1 student from Ireland, who is actually a PhD student at Clark University, USA with us. And 2 of our faculty members spent time at Malmö, and 1 faculty member spent time with us, and 1 faculty member from Brazil spent some time with us. We are truly internationalizing. Our faculty members continue to be active in teaching, research and outreach. They have been invited to present their work in many prestigious conferences and writing book chapters, authoring scholarly research papers in premier journals, refereeing papers for conferences and journals, and serving on the editorial boards. Some of the faculty-initiated projects got funding from Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India, European Commission, Philips NXP, Nokia Research, and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, to name just a few. Professor Ray obtained his US patent and won patent number 7490279, and Professor Debabrata Das won the Best Volunteer Award from the IEEE Bangalore section.